Hey everyone, welcome back into a Thursday evening edition of the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again talking about the weather, and we're talking about warmer temperatures on the horizon. We'll tell you about that in just a little bit. Nice photograph tonight sent in by Karen Garrity. Look at the purples and the oranges and the yellows, a very beautiful sunset. And as always, if you have a photograph to share, send it to photos@ktvf11.com. We're also looking for the Christmas photos too. And speaking of photos, once again, looking at temperatures, as you can see our recent high today, well, actually the high 11 degrees below zero currently. The low last night 21 degrees below, 45 in the 1940 time frame for the record high, 55 below, and yes, 1935 once again. Sunrise and sunset, 4 hours and 3 minutes, a loss of 3 minutes from today. Air quality index, Fairbanks, once again, stage 1, moderate, and North Pole stage 2, unhealthy for sensitive groups. Keep that in mind. And our satellite and radar showing high pressure is still continuing to block all the moisture off to the west and the northwest. That's why it's not giving anything to the Fairbanks area. Things are clearing up over southeast Alaska. In fact, you can see the latest across the southeastern sections. Chilly at Juneau, 27 degrees, but just cloudy skies. Cloudy skies in Anchorage, 20 degrees. Showers around the Kodiak region, also over the Cold Bay area. And up and down the west coast, a little warmer than it was yesterday, 8 degrees at Nome. And even warmer in Barrow, 7 degrees below zero there. Fort below at Fort Yukon. Lower 48 weather, another storm system moving ashore. This one is really bringing a lot of cold air with it. That's why that speckled look is the cold air moving across the warmer waters of the Pacific Ocean. And this one's moving all the way down to the south, so it looks like Southern California will be getting some rain. Once again, some wild weather going on across Minneapolis into the Great Lakes. But again, warm temperatures are the rule. And as far as the record-breaking warmth, as I said last night, again, you can see the warm temperatures will continue across the Great Lakes into the northeast. No change expected there. 20 to 30 degrees warmer than it should be this time of year. On the jet stream, a big dip down to the south, helping to stir up the atmosphere and bring severe weather to many areas across the deep south over the weekend, with more rain and snow over the Pacific Northwest. Okay, time once again for our kids' weather. All this week we've been talking with the kids from Pearl Creek Elementary School, but tonight it's a teacher with an interesting weather fact.
Hello, my name is Mr. Sassman, and this is my 4th grade class at Pearl Creek Elementary School. And we have a weather fact to share with you. Class, did you know that the cleanest air on Earth is found at the South Pole? It's 10 times cleaner than at the North Pole.
Whoa! Merry Christmas! We nailed it! Awesome!
I have kids getting in the spirit already. Good job. Mount McKinley Bank, thank you for sponsoring our kids' weather. Next week we'll be passing along some more interesting weather facts because the kids will be enjoying their Christmas vacation toward the end of the week. All right. Here's what's going on as far as the forecast goes. In the northern sections, snow showers at Barrow, increasing clouds at Nome, mostly cloudy skies for Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, very quiet weather pattern, partly cloudy skies for Fairbanks. A few more clouds in the Healy region, maybe some lingering flurries at Delta Junction. Over southeast Alaska, pretty quiet too. Just cloudy skies, chance of a few snow showers at Juneau and cloudy skies at Ketchikan. While out to the southwest, it looks like for the most part mixed showers for Cold Bay. Rain maybe mixing with snow in Kodiak and a slight chance of snow for Bethel. And down around the Anchorage Bowl, looking at becoming mostly cloudy in Anchorage with rain and snow likely at Homer, and snow is likely for Valdez. And again, it's Thursday night, which means it's time for our road conditions, brought to you by Mongold Insurance and Jose Body and Paint, and the Dalton Elliott Highways. Icy spots, snowpack. Winds in the higher elevations once again, so be watching out for that. The same for the Steve Richardson highways, blowing snow, icy patches and snow on the road, and the Parks Highway glazed road, icy spots, and some winds are still possible. And our forecast for the remainder of the night, another cold night with increasing clouds, 23 below for the overnight low. Tomorrow's forecast, 3 below for the high. Cloudy skies, not as cold temperatures as it was today. And the extended forecast, look at temperatures rising to the single digits to even the teens above zero by the rest of the 5-day period there. No mention of any snow in the forecast. Overnight lows will also be warming up, as you can see, dropping or rising to the single digits below zero by Monday and Tuesday.